Hello everyone, I'm Mel here with Abstract Fitness. Today I'd like if we can do a full body workout, working from your arms, shoulders, all the way down to your legs and core, using a chair and a mat. So grab your chair, grab your mat, let's get started. Let's start with big muscles. So we're going to start with squats. Shoulders are down and back. I want you to barely touch the chair. So slowly down, slowly up, contract your glutes. Again, down to inhale, exhale, up. If you want to challenge more yourself, grab a heavy weight. Legs are strong, glutes as well. So go for it. But if you are just starting, just use body weight. And let's go down and up. How many more can we do? Let's do 6, 5, 4, 3. That's it. And 2. One more time. Nice. And release. Okay, now we're going to do triceps. You can do triceps against the wall if you're just starting. You have shoulders injuries. Please do it here. Elbows are down by your side and you're going to press. If you don't have shoulders injuries, you're more advanced, you can do a dip. I'm not a fan of it because sometimes when people go too deep, it just emphasizes the rounded shoulders. For safety, please put the chair against the wall. And then I'm going to give you again 2 options. You're going to rub the glutes down to the chair. So you're going to go down and up to extend your elbows. If you go too deep, look at my shoulders. Okay, so down to inhale, exhale up. Harder, legs straight, together, down and up. I have tendency to have pain a little bit in my left shoulder. I'm going to keep it easier. So let's go down and up. Try to do between 12, 15 reps. Look straight ahead. Bring your abs in. Inhale, exhale to press. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, beautiful. One more. Good. And release. Okay, I'm going to go back to legs. I'm going to try to alternate between upper, lower body. Let's do lunges. I'm going to bring my right leg in front, left leg on the chair. Okay, now I got my mat back. I'm going to keep my right in front. So put the back leg right here. Adjust yourself. It's going to be harder for balance, obviously. If it's too hard, go back to squats. And we're going to go down as deep as you can. Exhale up. Look straight ahead. Try to keep the chest as high as possible. So hip square and also parallel to each other. Try not dropping one hip. Good. And 6, 5, 4. Again, if you want to challenge more yourself, grab weights. Woo! 2. Wow, one more. Little pauses. Let's go. 6, 5, 4. Are we feeling it? 3, 2, and push forward to march. I'm going to do push-ups. Every time we are inclined, it's easier. So if you choose, you can do that. Elbows, tricep, again. You can open your elbows for push-ups, and it's also easier. So from your knees or your toes, you go down and up. You can also switch here. So feet on the chair. And you do your push-ups from here, down and up. Okay? I won't do it here. It's too hard for me. But I'm going to do it right here. Are you ready? Choose your option from your knees or your toes. Inhale down. Exhale to press. Again, for safety, you can bring the chair against the wall. Inhale down. Exhale up. Good. So try to keep your head as well in line with your spine. I'm almost done here. I'm going to do 2 more. Keep going if we can do more. Good. And release. I'm going to do lunges again, but this time left leg in front. So take your time. And I keep my toes flexed here. If not, I can have cramps in my toes. So we're going to go down to inhale, exhale up. So again, hips square, abs are tight. Open the heart, look straight ahead. Good. Again for 6, 5, 4 more, and 3, and 2. Do you remember? We're gonna do pulses. Let's stay low. Let's go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Good. And slowly release. Okay, another one that I really, really like, plank. You know, you can do a plank right on your mat. If you want to challenge more yourself, put your feet right here, and we're just gonna hold it. Breathe, abs tight, relax your shoulders. Good. And now, can you walk to plank? Woo! Good. Have your shoulders in line with your hands, and then you're gonna slowly walk back. Again, if you can. Do as many as you can. One more. Oh, that's it. Hold again to plank. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Beautiful. And slowly release. Oh, I feel this one. I'm going to be seated this time on my chair. Grab it. Option 1, you lean back and you come back, easier. Option 2, you lean back and you're going to bring one knee at a time. You don't touch the floor. Come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and 3, and 2. That's it. One more. Beautiful. Can you stay? Can you release the chair? Good job. Can you grab your arms, your hands, your feet? Stay right there. I'm just challenging yourself right now. Can you bring one leg up? I usually do that right on the mat in yoga. Good. Can you bring the other leg up? Make sure you're staying on your chair. Can you bring both legs up? That's it. Relax your shoulders. Keep breathing. You're going to slowly release one leg, release the other. Voila. And release. Let's go on your all fours. I'm going to work your glutes here. What I want you to do is extending one leg, and you're going to go each side of the chair. Okay? If it's too hard, I much prefer you keep your knee bent and just avoid the chair. So shoulders are in, abs are tight. Let's go. Long legs if you can. Eventually, it's just my hip is giving me trouble. Good. We're so tight in the hips. That's a problem. Good. Keep your arms strong. Your head in line with your spine. Are you going slow? Are you still breathing? 4, 3. Oh, do you remember we have 2 legs? Good. One more time. I feel it. There we go. In my opposite. Gluteus medius, medius. Okay. Again, the other leg. Engage shoulders. Abs are tight. You can even bring your pelvic floor up. When you're ready, let's go. Nice and slow. Can you keep again your arms strong? So look in front of the mat. Maybe just a foot away from your hands. Beautiful. 6, 5, 4. Again, feel it in your hip. 3 more. And 2. Okay, one more to go. Nice. And release. Okay, let's turn around. Put your hands behind you. You can keep your knees bent again, right here, or you can lengthen your legs, go under and each side. Okay, so choose your version you want to do. Let's go. Good, so abs are tight. Oops, I'm moving the chair. There we go. So keep your shoulders, again, away from your ears. It's not easy, but it's a good one. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. And release. I feel it. Now I'm going to put my feet on it. Let's do bridge. Okay, arms up by your side. And again, for safety, you can put the chair against the wall. And slowly lift, contract your glutes. I want you to be aware of neck and shoulders here. Make sure you don't have any pain. You can do the bridge, feet flat on the mat. Inhale to lower, exhale up. If you want to make it harder, you can cross one leg. Do just a single leg. Make sure you're switching, or you can bring the leg up, just like that. Down and up, keeping the hips square. Down and up, okay? 6, 5, 4, and 3, and 2. One more. Stay up. Good. Bring your feet together. Let's open your knees. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Are we feeling it? 2, 2. One more. That's it. Slowly come down. You're welcome to bring your knees to your chest. Are you having a workout here? I do. Now I'm going to do a side plank. Again, you don't need to use a chair. This is more advanced when you use the chair. Put your feet right here. And I want you to touch on the chair. This is more advanced. Again, do a plank on your knees. Ready? Let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2. And release. Let's switch side. Oh. Okay. Are you ready? 8 again. Let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. One more. Good job. And slowly release. I'm going to do one more exercise here. Again, you can do from downward facing dog and bring your knee to elbow. Or from here, for more advanced, knee to elbow. Come back, knee to elbow. That's it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, one more. That's it. And slowly release. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more videos of that style, please go on my website, www.abstractfitness.ca. See you soon.